One of the key reasons why Figma is such an awesome design editor is its plugin ecosystem. And today I'll be reviewing 5 plugins that I found super useful for certain parts of my design workflow this month. And first starting with Banani. So Banani is text to wireframe converter. So you can ask it anything. So food delivery app similar to DoorDash. It will ask additional questions of what do I want on the screen. For now we can say up to you. And it saves quite a lot of time when you need to design a lot of low fidelity screens to understand the architecture of the app that you will be designing. So here, as you can see, it generated a pretty solid home screen for me. I can even ask it to edit certain parts. So I can, let's say I wanna change how popular categories look. And aside from editing, I can also ask it to generate new screens understanding this context. Here we go. As you can see, it changed categories from scrolling section to tiles. So the next cool plugin is Pinpasta. It's super simple, and essentially it helps to paste your Pinterest board inside Figma file. So you need to install a Chrome extension for it to work, and then it gives you a link, and you can hit the import image, and it will paste my Pinterest board inside the Figma file. And you can quickly organize it, going from here, and get your inspiration inside Figma. Coming to the next plugin, it's pretty self-descriptive. It's called Fractal Glass, and it helps create this popular trendy looking fractal glass images. So you can select any image on the canvas, and it will essentially fragment it into smaller parts that together create effect of the glass. So you can hit create, it will duplicate the original image and split it into those tiny pieces as if you're looking at it through the glass. And final plugin for today, also pretty self-descriptive. It's called Design System Builder, and it helps quickly generate UI kit that you can use as a base of your design system. So you launch it, like I won't change anything, but you can change the font of the design system, primary, secondary, all kinds of colors, like what components do you need, and hit generate. And it will create a neat kit that you can use inside your existing design files or add to existing project. So you will see components being added into the local components, and they're pretty good for low fidelity prototyping. So that's it for today. I don't want to make this video too long. All the links to plugins are inside the description of the video. And if you want, you can grab my free Figma files. I have wireframing kit, I have AI icons set kit, and yeah, cheers, see you in next videos. And that's it for today. I don't want to make this video too long, try to keep it short. All of the links into the plugins are inside the description. Hit the like, subscribe, and let me know if you want review of the other plugins that I'm using or other things related to design. See you soon.